Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of natural rustic beauty with jute craft, also known as block jute. Simple, eco-friendly and perfect for creating cozy holiday and new year decoration. In this video I will show you how to make beautiful handmade craft step by step, all using jute. So grab your glue gun, scissor and let's get creative. Must watch video till end. Project 1 Jute Twin Ornaments belt. Let's start with something simple but stunning. Jute ornaments balls for your holiday trees or as table decor. Take a balloon and blow it up to the size you would like to your ornaments. Dip your twin into a mixture of white glue and little water. Wrap the twin around the balloon in random pattern until it's curved enough to look decorative. Let it dry completely till overnight. Once they pop the balloons and carefully remove it, you will be left with a rustic yellow jute ball. Add a ribbon, a little glitter, or even small artificial berries for a festival touch. Project 2 is jute wrapped candle holder. Next, let's make jute wrapped candle holder that add a warm, cozy glow to your home. Take an empty glass jar or even a recycled jam jar. Wrap jute twins tightly around the jars, securing it with a hot glue as you go. For decoration, you can tie a small bow with a red ribbon, add teeny pine cones or glue on a little snowflake jam. Place a tea light on LED candle inside. While the flickering light through the jute create the perfect holiday mood. The third one is jute star garland. For our final project, let's make a jute star garland perfect for hanging on the wall, over a fireplace, or even a backdrop for a New Year photos. Cut star shape from sturdy cardboard. Cover each star by wrapping it with jute twins, securing the end with glue. Once you made several stars, attach them to a long piece of jute string. You can leave them rustic or add touch of gold paint and glitter for a festival sparkle. And there you have it, a natural handmade garlands. And that's it, three simple, beautiful and New Year craft made from jute. These projects are not only budget friendly but also eco friendly, giving your celebration a warm and rustic charm. Viewer, I hope you enjoy crafting with my today. If you try these out, don't forget to share your creation in the comments below, and of course remember to like and share and subscribe for my DIY holiday ideas. Your comments and your thoughts and suggestion is very valuable for us. We welcome it and sharing your in next videos, especially for you. Our work and our ideas, especially for you. Thanks for watching our channel. Stay blessed. See you again in next DIY projects. Enjoy your weekend, enjoy your upcoming Christmas parties, events with your family. Take care of your family, your friends, your parents. Enjoy your holidays.